Yo, what's up, Learning Machines? So I had a question from one of you Learning Machines about how to start like a new business essentially overnight, like in one day, how to actually start making sales in one day. And the quickest way to do that is with paid traffic. So this video will be about how to do it in one day with free traffic. Are you ready? Are you ready? So here's how you do it. You want to pick like a niche. So the first answer to that is pick a niche, and you're just going to be able to make content for that one niche and double down. Next, you want to find offers. You want to find offers for that one niche that you're going to do, because you need to make sure that there's actually good offers for that niche that you can promote and make money with. And the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and love niches, and relationships and stuff like that. So that niche does well. They all do well. All those niches do well. The wealth niche, I would say, has higher ticket offers. The health niche is the most popular one, and the relationships niche can do pretty well for sure. And then you want to set up shop. So set up shop means you just make accounts on all social media platforms that you want to make accounts on. It's best to mainly make it on the major platforms. So Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, etc. But if you just focus on YouTube, I think you'll have more success initially too. And remember, you want to do this all in one day. And when you set up shop, make sure your bio, if there's a spot to have the bio, and most platforms do have a spot for that, have the bio be congruent across the board, the same, have the same profile pictures, have the same name across the board, everything. Okay. And then just find the good offers to sell, get your links. If you need to set up a website and get started. And you're going to make money. Okay. And then, you got to pick what platforms you're going to sell your own offers on, because you're not just going to do affiliate marketing. You can make your own offers. In fact, you can pre-sell your own offers initially too. You don't even have to make your offers yet and have them complete. You can just kind of create them and then fulfill on them later. And you have to fulfill on them, okay? Otherwise, you'll just get refunds, okay? You want to over-deliver. But my point is, you want to also sell your own offers. And places you can do that is Patreon and OnlyFans and Teachable and Gumroad. And there's a ton of platforms. Then you can, if you want to, you can make your own custom websites and then connect with Stripe and collect payments with Stripe. And you can do that with ClickFunnels plus combine with Stripe. That's a great way. You can sell on Shopify, all these places. And then just make a bunch of content. And if you want to get your sales in the first day, you can get luck with that and get your sales in the first day. But don't worry about getting sales in the first day. Really, really worry about setting up as fast as you can. I know of entrepreneurs who try to set up a new idea they're working on within one day. They test it. So you should be like that. You should understand that money loves speed, and you should take action as fast as possible. That's what I recommend. You don't need to get a sale in one day, because the sales will start rolling in once you have everything going, the whole system going, and getting traffic and making videos and posting videos. Now, if you want to accelerate things, then you're going to do paid traffic. When you do paid traffic, things definitely grow faster, okay? Now, people are just going to watch, they're going to buy from you, and you're going to get results. Possibly in the same day, but maybe for sure within this first week. In the first week you do it. And I'm talking about original content, not reposting other people's content. If you make original content, you're going to crush it. But it is possible to repost people's content and make money for sure. Like, for example, I have affiliates, for example, who promote the Money Accelerator and different offers on this personal brand, because this is the only place I've ever made offers of my own, is with my personal brand. And then I promote affiliate offers with my Big Cash Cow YouTube channel, and then paid campaigns on the side and everything like that. And I have affiliates, and they'll just repost my content and get sales. And so you can do that easily. You get 60% recurring commission of the Money Accelerator, and then you can promote like a few other offers as well, and you get 60% commission. And I just think that's one of the easiest ways to make money. But if everyone's reposting something, you don't really have a scalable way to grow. And so the best thing is to make original content. And that's why I'm talking about this, because you can set up shop in a day and have a full-blown business in a day, and then forever you can just scale it and make a ton of money doing that. Okay. And anyway, if you guys want more methods and more advice, everything like that, just to help you crush it, make more money and everything like that, check out Money Accelerator. Money Accelerator is the best thing for you by far. It was made for you for the sole purpose of being able to constantly deliver value to you, and not stop doing it, okay? And that's why it's recurring at $97 a month, which you make your money back on, and then some, and way more, because it has no cap to it, because you're getting knowledge and skills from it. So anyway, thank you for watching, and peace out, Learn Machines. Check out more videos, and peace.